Cryptocurrency. XMR. Monero. Monero is a leading cryptocurrency that focuses on private and censorship-resistant transactions. It uses cryptography to shield sending and receiving addresses, as well as transacted amounts. Each Monero transaction, by default, confuses the sending and receiving addresses, as well as the transaction amount, enhancing privacy for each Monero user. Monero is fungible. By virtue of obfuscation, Monero cannot become tainted through participation in previous transactions. This means Monero will always be accepted without the risk of censorship. Monero is a grassroots community that attracts the best cryptocurrency researchers and engineering talent in the world. More than 500 developers contributed to the Monero project, including 30 core developers.